This tube light actually rolls up, making it super compact and portable. And I think this is one of the best video lights for content creators under $100. This was sent to me by Ulanzi, but they're not sponsoring this video. The way this works is that it's made out of an inflatable tube. So all you have to do is unroll it, fill it up with air, press and hold the power button to turn it on, and now you have this nice big bright tube light. This can go up to 20 watts at its max brightness, and while this isn't nearly as bright as some of the solid tube lights that I own, this is still really bright for its size and its weight. And there's actually several advantages that I really like about this inflatable design. For one thing, it's a fraction of the price of most solid tube lights. It's not only more portable because of how small it can fold up, but it's also super lightweight. It's splash-proof, water-resistant, and one thing that I like that they don't even really advertise about this light is the fact that its inflatable design makes it really impact resistant. This has a bunch of magnets across the back so it can easily be mounted to any metal surfaces. There's a lanyard on one end so you can hang it from stuff. There's also 2 more straps here on the back for mounting it at different angles. And it comes with this mount that attaches to the magnets and has a 1/4-20 thread mount. The built-in battery can run this light for 55 minutes at full brightness. It charges via USB-C, and it has adjustable color temperature from 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. Ulanzi also has this smaller 12-watt version that's even more compact and more affordable. And they also have these larger professional 60-watt and 120-watt versions. And these ones are actually self-inflatable with built-in fans. But the one downside of these larger professional lights is that they don't have built-in batteries. So you either have to plug them into the wall or use them with a V-mount battery or some other compatible power bank purchased separately. I really like seeing advancements in technology like this, where it's not just focused on creating something that's bigger, better, or more powerful, but on making something that has a unique user experience. And this offers extra utility and versatility that you just don't get with other video lights. If you do want to check this out, there is a link in the description below. You can watch some more of my videos over here, and I'll see you over there.